If you're like me, building a PC can be overwhelming. But what if I told you there's a website that takes all the guesswork out of it? Let me introduce you to PC-Builds.com. PC-Builds.com is a game changer for anyone wanting to build their own PC. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or just need a high-performance machine, this site has got your back. Here's how it works. You enter your budget, your use case, like gaming, streaming, or editing, and it shows you the best components that fit your needs. You don't need to be an expert to find the perfect setup. The best part? It's updated regularly to keep up with the latest hardware. What I love most is that it saves you time. No more scouring forums or reading a million reviews. PC-Builds.com does all the hard work for you. Plus, it gives you price comparisons, so you know you're getting the best deals. If you're serious about building your dream PC, check out PC-Builds.com and start designing your custom setup today. Hit the link in my bio to get started, and don't forget to drop a like if you want more tech tips. Happy building!